Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about adding mirrors to your lineup of window cleaning services. So, a really easy add-on service to any window cleaner just starting out, or if you've already been in the window cleaning game for a while, is obviously mirrors. Definitely want to add mirrors to your lineup of services offered to your customers. It's just so easy to clean mirrors, and it's basically like cleaning a window. And of course the customers are always going to appreciate that. A lot of people don't even like to take the time to clean their mirrors, and it's just, if they're already getting their windows cleaned, then hey, why not just throw in the mirrors too? So as far as mirrors are concerned, I will charge anywhere from $4 to $8 per mirror depending on the size. Things you want to know about cleaning mirrors is typically you do not want to use your scraper on a mirror just in case you scratch that thing. That's not going to be going over too well in terms of being able to fix that. So I typically never use my 6-inch scraper on a mirror. I will use my white scrubbing pad, however, and that's pretty much going to get all the gunk off you need to get off a mirror anyways. There really shouldn't be any real reason to use a scraper blade on a mirror unless maybe there's like some stickers stuck on the mirror. Then you might consider it. Once again, just be sure that you're wetting the mirror completely before you take your blade to the glass. My recommendation though, of course, is to not use your blade on the mirror, but sometimes there might be a circumstance where you absolutely have to. Especially if it's, let's say, a house that is going to be sold or is going to be put up for rent, and the owner wants you to just clean the windows, clean all the junk off the mirrors. In that case, you might find stickers and other things on the mirror that need to be scraped off. But typically speaking, you're not going to want to use your scraper on the mirror. You just want to use your white scrubbing pad to get off all the gunk that's going to be on the mirror, and then charge $4 to $8. So, if it's like a little bathroom medicine cabinet mirror, that's going to be $4. If it's like a good size mirror that covers all the counter of the sink, then I'm probably going to charge $8. And then of course, if it's a closet door mirror, then you're going to charge $8 per each door. So, that's great, so if you go in and they have a closet that has 2 doors, well, that's $16 right there, and then if they have the other rooms in the house also have closet mirrors, you can quickly see how cleaning the mirrors are quick to do, and they're going to add up pretty quickly, and you can make some quick money there adding on to your window cleaning service. You're already in the home cleaning the inside of the windows anyway, so it's really easy to add that service to your lineup. So when you are cleaning mirrors, you're going to clean them just like you clean a window. If you're cleaning a large mirror closet door, then just be sure that as you get close to the bottom, you're not going to be spilling any water on the carpet. So it's really important that you use that same process of having your washing wand below your squeegee as you go back and forth. Your washing wand's down here, your squeegee's up here, and you're going back and forth down the glass. Just be sure that as you get close to the bottom, if you have your holster bucket on, you're not going to accidentally tip that over like happened to me once and get water all over the carpet. So you need to be aware of your holster bucket as you're getting to the bottom of that door. And then also you want to take that washing wand all the way down to the bottom. And then if it's getting too close where you feel like it's going to get the carpet wet, then you might put that away and pull out a rag and then just finish off with holding the rag underneath the squeegee, just so you're not dripping on their carpet, especially if they have white carpet. And if the mirror is extremely dirty and the water's coming off brown, the last thing you want is a bunch of brown spots hitting a white carpet. That can happen, it does happen, so just be extra careful on that. The other challenge you're going to have there is when the doors have a little bit of overlap, they might have like a 2-inch overlap that you can't get behind to clean. So in that case, you're probably going to want to just get like a wash rag, a clean wash rag, and just get that with some soap and water on that. Just get that wet with your washing wand and maybe just kind of run your rag down that, and then just get your detailing rag and follow down behind and just clean it like that. That's probably going to be the best bet because you're not going to be able to get your squeegee into that 2-inch overlap or however big that overlap is. And I don't recommend taking the door off to get that. That's just going to cut down on your time. It's going to increase the time is what I'm trying to say. It's going to increase the time that it takes to clean that. And then you're going to be dealing with the issue of popping that door back on and if the door has any issues. So never take any doors off if you don't have to. That's definitely the best bet. And then the last thing I think I would say about cleaning the mirrors is just make sure you move any objects out of the way. So if you're like in the bathroom and they have like soaps and candles and whatever else, or toothbrushes, sure to move all that stuff away from the window or from the mirror before you start cleaning. You don't want to be trying to clean over top of that, have stuff drip down onto their personal items, or be knocking over any of their personal items because you're in a hurry. So do take your time and treat your customers' stuff with respect. Move it away clean, move it back, and then go about your merry way. So this is a nice add-on to your business. It's really simple and easy. You should definitely offer this. Other than that, there's really nothing else to say about cleaning mirrors. It's just like cleaning a window. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to this window cleaning channel to be a part of this community here on YouTube and show YouTube that you find this content useful. Also, please visit windowcleaningdude.com where you can find everything I offer for window cleaning for free in terms of how to start your business, all kinds of tutorial videos, how to use the equipment, where to find the equipment, step-by-step process. Everything is there. It's a free franchise basically for you to start and run your business as a beginning window cleaner. Also, hit that notification bell down below for any videos coming out soon, and don't forget to leave any comments below on anything you want to learn more about, and I will see you in the next episode.